Hi, I'm Bo Sebastian, your stress coach. Each window on the desktop of your computer brain can represent stories you tell yourself from your past. If you don't close down all the stories from your past, your positive charge begins to be depleted quickly. You find yourself drifting off in a dream when you're driving while listening to coworkers, and it's hard to keep yourself and the task at hand directly in front of you. Today's exercise is a breathing exercise. Breathe in for 5 counts through your nose. Then you're going to hold your nose and drop your chin to your chest for 5 counts, focusing on the stillness in your body. Then release your nose and the air for 5 seconds. Repeat this 10 times with your eyes closed. Tune in for more helpful hints about anxiety and stress. Look for From Tend to Zen, the zeroing out technique on my profile. Subscribe and like this video to receive more helpful videos in the future.